This is a brief walkthrough about how to insert a footnote into a paper. So here I have a paper written up all kinds of information, and the question is, how do I put a footnote at the bottom of the page in order to cite where I found this information? This is pretty easy. So all we have to do is put our cursor after the line or the sentence that we want to cite. So for instance, if I took information from a source to write this sentence, I would put my cursor after that. I would go to the top where it says references, and then I click insert footnote. The footnote will then put a number at the very bottom of the page, and I can write up, or in my case I'm just going to copy and paste the footnote as modeled on Chicago Manual of Style. Now I want to cite this to whatever page came from. So if this came from page, say, 177 for that particular line, I will cite that. So that's done. That information is now cited. If I paraphrase information, say I took 5 pages from a source and I summarized it in my own words, and it is all this information here, I would do essentially the same thing. I come to the end after I summarized or paraphrased that information. I insert another footnote. So now we go from 2 to 3. I put my citation back in. And in this case, I cited a few pages, so we'll say it's 177 to 181. By doing this, your reader knows that whatever information occurs before this footnote, so all of this here from this number 3 until we get back to number 2, all of this information comes from these few pages.